Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by creating an account with a number that can't be traced to you. Use a burner phone number or a paid virtual number to register, not your main number. Choose a unique username that reveals nothing about your identity, and remove your phone number from profile visibility under Settings so only you or selected contacts can see it. Disable contacts sync and never import your address book into Telegram. Manually add people to preserve anonymity and avoid linking your device address book to cloud accounts. Harden your privacy by enabling two-step verification with a strong password that is different from your device PIN and email. This adds an extra layer of protection if someone obtains your SIM or virtual number. Use secret chats for end-to-end encryption and set a self-destruct timer for messages. Secret chats support timers from 1 second up to 1 week to remove content automatically. In Settings, turn off link previews, hide last seen and profile photo, and restrict who can call or add you to groups to minimize exposure. Protect your network identity by always using a reputable VPN or Tor when accessing Telegram on mobile or desktop. This masks your IP address and reduces metadata linkage. Avoid linking other social accounts, and never upload identifying photos, scanned ID, or documents that could reveal your identity. Regularly clear cloud chats and local cache, export account data only if necessary, and if you must sever ties completely. Use Telegram's Delete My Account option to remove your presence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.